bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she got the swag.
This is the final cute wig. It's 20 inches, 20, 18, 16, and the lace closure is actually 12 inch. And I'm actually surprised that the lace closure actually blends in with this hair because it's not even the same company, like the same brand. So, but thank God I found one, you know, for like $13. That was, you know, very quick. And it actually has black lace at the, let me take it off. And it has black lace as well. So I'm actually, you know, going to go ahead and take my powder and, you know, blend that so it'll look as natural as possible. Okay, so that's what the scalp now looks like. That looks very natural. So let's see if she can fit on my head, because when it comes to making hot glue gun wigs, you know, it gets very, very tight. And my head is pretty big, so I tried to make my braids as small as possible to hopefully so hopefully they can fit on top of my head. This is kind of cute though. Oh shit, I'm gonna have to rock these. So let's go and try her on and see what it looks like. Whew. Just from the get-go, this thing is tight as hell on my head. It's cute, but so far it's really tight. So I'm gonna see if I can try to slide it up and put pins, maybe cut the inside, because this thing is tight as hell. And it's the extra large cap, don't cap. Whew. Whew. This thing is a job to put on. Overall, I'm gonna go and cut some layers because it's just kind of bland right now. So, yeah. Final product of the wig. Okay, it was a job. Let me tell y'all what I did. So first off, I had cut like the sides, like a snippet of this side, and the back, so I can at least get the wig on my head. Because like I said, I don't know if my head is that big or this wig cap is really tight. And mind you, I brought an extra large wig cap, so either I feel bad about having a big head. I don't know. I'm 6'2", so maybe that's something to do with it. I don't know. And what I did was, because previously, you know, the wig was pretty like back here. What I did was, instead of putting the cap all the way on the back side, it's not as all the way on the back side because I have, like, you know, a lot of my hair just sitting back there as well. So I lifted it up a little bit and slid the front back and just pulled that back. So now it blends in a lot more. And of course, you know, I used my LA Girls Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, just blend that out. And of course, you know, I'll probably put some gel right there to make it a little bit more natural. So that's what the part looks like. But from far away, it looks natural. What I'll do is, let me get that, hold on. Let me go in my little closet. This right here is my go-to. It is the Topics hair fibers. So, you know, of course, if it's like thinning up here, what I'll do is I'll just take my little spray bottle and I'll just spray around my edges to make it look a little bit more fuller. Of course, if it gets inside the part, just take some more concealer and just blend that out. So now it looks more natural. One thing I'll do next time is I will definitely buy, what is it called? The black glue gun, the black glue sticks, because of course, you know, the white shows a lot more. I forgot that I can buy the black ones, and I was in a time crunch. I didn't have time to wait to buy the black ones, but I heard you can buy the black glue sticks online. Overall, this hair is really pretty. It's really soft. It's not as like, you know, my big hair that I'm used to having, so this is definitely a lot different. But I'm feeling it because back, you know, in high school, this is the type of hair I used to wear all the time. So now I'm going back to my old roots, and I'm going back to rocking this hair again. I feel like, you know, I'm about to go somewhere cute. The closure did amazing. Like I said, it's a 12-inch closure, so I basically have just blended in a little bit more to go with the 16-inch, the 18-inch, and 20-inch of the hair. One thing I will say is make sure my hair does not blow in the wind everywhere, because, you know, it's a little tight around the edges. But once again, I'll just take my Topics hairspray and, like, because I have like thin edges right here, I'll just, you know, spray that to make them, of course I'll blend it out and stuff, but usually I'll spray that to make my edges look thicker. And of course, you know, you can see the white glue right there. I'll just take my black eyeliner, and I'll just cover that up. Or I can take the Topics and probably spray on top of that. That works too. Okay, that worked too. But yeah, this hair is very soft, and I'm really feeling it a lot. This is definitely another go-to wig, you know, that I really like a lot now. So if you want to see, you know, more go-to wigs of, you know, cheap $17 hair compared to paying like $300, you know, for some human hair, don't mind me. I love all the girls who wear human hair wigs because I wish I can, but my budget is not looking like that right now. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So guys, don't forget to like my channel, subscribe to my channel, click the thumbs up if you like this video. If you want to see some more, you know, creative wigs that I'll do, because, you know, I'm definitely in a wig spirit right now. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she